Okay, let's go with the different type of vowels. You have already noticed that we have a difference between short and long vowels, and the difference is related to the way in which they are pronounced. Again, the position of the tongue and the tongue movement, it's also important. So let's go to the short ones. For example, if I have to think about I as in ket or bit, I, as we have already said, and you have already noticed here, it's a high or close vowel. It's not completely at the front produced, but it's something a little bit at the back. So it's I. Please repeat after me. I, kit, bit. Notice how your tongue is raising in the blade or the front part of the tongue. It's very close to the roof of the mouth, to the palate. Okay? So this is the sound E. So let's repeat the sound E. E, as in went, intend, send, letter, send, intend, went. Okay? Again, let's read it again, and now you repeat. E, went, intend, send, letter. So if we search this sound, it is here and it is also here, and it's something in the middle. Okay, it's not completely high, it's not completely low, it's not completely close or open, but it is surely to the front. So when you produce the sound your tongue needs to move to the front. The following sound is eh. It's like a smiling sound. Eh. So you say cat, hand, nap, flat, have, flat, nap, hand, cat, eh. Okay, it's your turn now, you repeat. Eh, cat, hand, nap, flat, have. Okay, well, as you can see, this vowel, you have it here and you also have it here. It's a very open in the sense that it's far away from the roof of the mouth, okay? Or you can also classify it as a low vowel, but you are sure that it is at the front. So when you produce this vowel, you have to be far away, your tongue, has to be far away from the roof of the mouth, and also very at the very front of your mouth. So it's eh. Remember to spread your lips to smile. This sound is ah. Fun, love, no love, love. Money, no money, money. One, London, come. Okay? Come, London, one, money, love, fun. Okay? So it's fun, love, money, one, London, come, no come. Okay? These three words are always mispronounced. Instead of love, you say love. Instead of money, you say money. And instead of come, you say come. So let's remember the video of the girl that said it's not Colgate, it's Colgate, when this is the same. It's not love, it's love. Okay? And the production of this vowel is here, you see? It's something near the front, but a little bit to the back, but it's very open. Ah. Try to focus on your tongue, see how it moves. O, rob, top, watch, squat, sausages, rob, top, watch, squat. Oh, sorry, I make it plural, but it's singular. Sausage, sausage. Okay? So if you notice here, It's a very back sound. It's very open from the roof of the mouth, far away or low. So say oh, oh. When you produce this sound, your tongue should be at the back and low, or at the back and very far away from the roof of the mouth. Ooh, ooh. Put, look, should, cook, book, look. Ooh. Put, look, should, cook, book, look. Ooh, ooh. If you notice this sound, it's a little bit to the back, just not completely at the back, but it's a central one. So it's ooh. If you produce this one and this one in their difference, in their contrast, you will see ooh, 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 ooh. You see that here, ooh, your tongue it's at the back, but here your tongue is more at the back. The same happens with this one. Remember that you have the activity for today. That is the difference between e, 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 e. Okay, if you see, this one is very at the front and this one is a little bit back. E, e. So when you produce it, this should be at the front and this one a little bit to the back. This is the schwa. I present you to the schwa, which is the most used English vowel sound. So you say alive, again, mother. You have the schwa here, mother, the. So it's alive, again, mother, So if you notice, your tongue is in the middle, okay, to produce this sound. So these are the short sounds. These are the ones that you can find in your charts. But let's go to the other ones. Let's go to the long vowels, okay? And please try to focus on the lip position in the production of this one. Spread, rounded, or a neutral, okay? For example, with this vowel, the schwa, the sound, the lips are position are neutral. Say you're not smiling, but you're not also having rounded lips, okay? Let's move on. Let's go to the long ones. Long vowels. You have less long vowels. Remember that long vowels, you exaggerate the length. That's the difference. And they are very strong. They are pronounced very strongly. So you say e, need, beat, team. You don't say tim, yes, tim, or bit. You say team. You don't say nid. You say need. I need you. I need to go out. I need, e, long e, need, beat, team. Then you have nurse, heard, third, turn. We're not going to talk about e because we have already discussed in a way a lot, but let's go to this one. We have already mentioned this one at the beginning of the first video. So it's in the middle. Your tongue should be in the middle when you produce it, but it's a little bit to the back. Nurse, heard, third, turned. The production is similar to the schwa but longer. Some teachers call it the long schwa also. Well, here is fast, car, hard, bath, car, hard. Well, here that you have a ra sound next to the o sound, you notice that it is not pronounced. Yes, the ra sounds in the middle, it's not pronounced. So say car, hard. And if you notice, here it is, and it is also here. You cannot notice because it is out of the screen, sorry. By the way, the position is the same. It's always before this one. Your tongue is low and very far away from the roof of the mouth, and it's in the middle. Okay? Then you have rounded lips. Talk, low, bored, yawn, jaw. Long sound. You see, fully at the back. Your tongue should move to the back. Take your tongue to the back and in the middle. So it's not close, it's not low or open, it's in the middle. Ooh, few, boot, lose, gloomy, fruit. It's not fruit or fruit, it's fruit, chew, okay? Ooh. So if you see, this one is very rounded lips. Ooh, you have to round your lips, and then you have to go ooh at the back of your tongue, but very close to the roof of the mouth. Okay? Well, these were the long vowels. So let's move on. I have 5 minutes only to talk about the diphthongs, but they are simple, so don't worry. So let's see the characteristics. Diphthongs are counted as an only one sound. So they are two sounds together, but together they are only one sound. Yes? For example, if you have the diphthong I, for example, to name the part of your body in which you used to see, okay, your I, that is only one sound. It's not two vowels, it's only one sound, one symbol representing the movement from one vowel to the other. The second characteristic is that first we produce a vowel, the first vowel, we produce it in one place, and the second vowel is produced in a very different way. We're going to see the movement now, but let's focus on the same diphthong, I, the one that I mentioned. You start in I, I. So from the back, or from the middle, yes, mostly at the back, you go to the front, I. You see, there is a movement of your tongue. That is what we call the glide. The glide is the movement of the tongue from one vowel position to the other vowel position in the sense of the tongue to produce a diphthong. So they are named, the classification of the different diphthongs are related to the last vowel. You're going to see why. Okay, so let's see, type of diphthongs. We have centering diphthongs. The centering diphthongs, they are centering because they end in the schwa. So now you can see with the cardinal vowel why it's very easy to realize the glide. So you have three different diphthongs ending with schwa, centering diphthongs. They are centering because they end in schwa, and schwa is a central vowel. So you have ia, ea, ua. Okay, the tongue moves to the schwa. So you have ia, ua. So e starts here, u starts here, and e here, but it goes to the schwa. You have mia, hia, squea, fea, pua, cua. These are American pronunciation, because in the British pronunciation you produce po, pretty po, not pretty pua. But well, it doesn't matter. It is good for this example. Okay, let's go to the ending with E or ending in E. They are closing diphthongs. Why close? Because they end with a vowel which is a very close vowel. So all the movement is for the front of the mouth and to be close to the roof of the mouth. So it's A, I, Oi. These are the three diphthongs in which the tongue moves to the I sound. A, I, Oi. Face, day, break. Price, high, try. Choice, voice. Okay? And the last one is the one that ends with U. All the movement goes to find at the back, okay, to the U sound that is at the back. You have only two diphthongs ending with U. That's why it's close, because it's close to the roof of the mouth. You have O and ow. The tongue moves to U. So you say goat, show, no. Mouth, now. Goat, show, no. Mouth, now. Well, that covers the main points of my presentation. This is some kind of summary in which you have the difference between I want to recommend you to copy this 8 English diphthong, because you will have a very organized way of classifying. Yes, you see, you have here the 2 different divisions and the 3 different divisions too. Okay, well, that was all. So see you soon. Bye bye.